Morning everyone. Today I will be explaining 100 basic function of Java. First, return integer 1 in a string. Just display a number. Number 2, returns integer 2. Same as function 1, different number. Next, adds 1 plus 2 shows basic addition. Next, multiplies 3 times 4 shows multiplication. Next, shows factorial math, demonstrates repeated multiplication. Next, checks if number is even, shows modulus percent operator. Number 7, uses GCD helper method, demonstrates calling another function. Number 8, uses LCM with GCD math, relationship between numbers. Number 9, uses math converts to absolute value. Number 10, converts number to binary, changing number system. Next, number 11, combines two strings, concat. Next, number 12, counts characters, length. Number 13, cuts out the part of a string, substring. Number 14, handles single characters. Next, converts to uppercase. Next, replaces characters in text. Next, checks if text starts with a word. Number 18, checks if text ends with a word. Number 19, checks if text contains a word. Number 20, repeats a string several times. Number 21, sum of array loop through values and calculate total. Next, names array, store multiple strings and access one. Number 24, find max, compares values to identify largest. Number 35, reverse string, uses string builder to flip characters. Number 26, sorting, shows arrays that sort built-in tool. Number 27, joining elements turns an array into text format. Number 28, contains check searches inside array. Number 29, multiply all elements, demonstrates mapping values. Number 30, Fibonacci recursion and sequence concept. Next, number 31, decimal to binary, converts a regular number into binary, zeros and ones, which is how computers store data. Mao ni ang language sa computer, puro 0 ug 1 mao i-convert nato ang number. Next, decimal to hexadecimal, converts a number base 16, used in debug tools and colors like FF0000. Common kayo ni sa programming like sa colors, apps o websites. Next, number 33, multiply double values, shows precise multiplication using decimal numbers. Gamay ra sayop sa decimal, dako na kayo kausaban, so need accurate ang double values. Next, 34, round a decimal number, rounds to the nearest whole number, para limpyo tan-awon ang number, wala na sobra nga decimal. Example, 5.6 to 6. 35, ceiling, round up, always goes up to the next whole number. Bisan 6.1 pa, himuon dyan na siya nga 7. Useful kung dili pwede fractional. Number 36. Floor, round down. Drops decimal part and goes down to the lower whole number. Bisan 9.9 pa, mahimong 9 jud. Good. Kung dapat malapas sa limit. Number 7. Random number generator. Makes a number that is unpredictable. Used in games, security, and simulations. Mao ni gamit sa mga pa-spinning wheel, loot boxes, o dice sa games. Number 38. Degrees to radians. Converts angle for trigonometry functions, sin, cos. Kani gamit kayo sa animation o movement sa games. Number 39. Radians to degrees. Converts angles back to degrees which are easier for humans to read. Kay ang radians lisod sabton, so balik na to sa degrees para klaro. Next. 40. Quadratic equation roots. Solves a quadratic formula and returns both solutions. Para sa physics o engineering, kanang parabola o projectile motion. Okay, next. 41. Prime test checks if number has only 2 factors. 42. Prime false shows example of 9 prime. Okay, next. Positive or negative. Check uses conditional branching. Number 44. Clamp value limits number to safe range. Number 45. Even number detection conditional resource a string. Number 46. Compare numbers shows operations. Number 47. Max finder uses max. Number 48. Mean finder uses math.mean. Number 49. Range testing. Check if within bounds. Number 50. Leap year calendar logic. Divisible by 4, etc. Number 51. Add values to list and count items. Number 52. Store and get values using map, key value pair. Number 53. Unique values using set, walay duplicates. Number 54. Remove specific item from list. Number 55. Delete entry from map and show remaining. Number 56. Check if set contains a value. Number 57. Loop through list using for each. Number 58. Display all keys and values from map. 59. Convert set to list. 60. Sort a list alphabetically or numerically. Okay. 61. Convert set elements to a string output. 62. Copy array using built-in function. 63. Filter even numbers only. 64. Remove duplicate values from array or list. 65. Count how many times a number appears. 66. Random shuffle sa items. Randomized order. 67. Sort from biggest to smallest, descending. 68. Compute average value sa array or list. 69. Get min and max using stream or loop. 70. Convert list back to array. 71. Linear search, find value step by step. 72. Check if words same forward and backward, palindrome. 73. Count vowels, a, e, i, o, u. 74. Replace spaces with something else. 75. Check string. Start ignoring uppercase or lowercase. 76. Reverse an array position. 77. Count pila ka words in sentence. 78. Find first number inside strings. 79. Save substring. Avoid error if short ang word. 80. Remove duplicate characters sa string. 81. Power function. Multiply number by itself repeatedly. 82. Add all digits of a number. 83. Check if number palindrome same digit. 84. Temperature conversation Celsius Fahrenheit. 85. Get unique letters only from string. 86. Count negative numbers inside array. 87. Square all numbers. 88. Check if sorted already ang array. 89. Shuffle characters randomly. 90. Factorial using recursion. Multiply down to 1. Next, 91. Sort words, then convert to uppercase. Next, 92. Multiply each number into squared version. Mapping. 93. Show usage of optional safe value handling. 94. Clamp double value into safe range. 95. Factorial again but shows big number concept. 96. Validate text pattern using regex. 97. Check some style, add digits again. 98. Join values separated by commas or CSV. 99. Print 2D array like rows and columns. And last, final output, success message and summary. That's all, guys.